Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is groups in the periodic table, the columns that tell you how an element will behave. By the end of this video, you'll know what the group number means and why the column matters more than the row for chemistry. A group is a vertical column in the periodic table. Elements in the same group have the same number of outer shell electrons, and outer electrons control chemistry. So elements in a group behave similarly. The group number, 1 to 7 plus group 0, often equals the number of outer electrons. Three things. 1. Group number gives outer electrons for groups 1, 2 and 3 to 7. 2. Group 0 elements have full outer shells. These are the unreactive noble gases. 3. Going down a group, atoms have more shells, so the outer electron sits further from the nucleus. Common slip. Confusing groups with periods. Group is the column, the vertical. Period is the row, the horizontal. Same group means same outer electrons. Same period means same number of shells but different outer electron counts. Quick example. Sodium and potassium are both group 1, one outer electron each, both react vigorously with water. Chlorine and bromine are both group 7, 7 outer electrons, both halogens, both react similarly with metals. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.